access token expiration is response.expiration, and refresh token is response.refresh token. Okay. So now we have a post endpoint that's taking like the same stuff. Let's see if we can publish this. I thought it would do a final get request, but I guess not. Did it publish? Did I do it? So we need to go back and change our URL as well. So while that's publishing, come over here. This is gonna, oops, took me away. This is gonna be /token, and we need to re-grab the secret again because they just get rid of it every time. And now we can do credentials and request body. All right, let's try that. All right, I'm gonna try to link again now. Settings, and then should have a link account. Should take me to my endpoint. All right, let's try this. Signing in. 8 U. Sign in. Redirecting. Yes, your SuaveKeys account has been successfully linked. Close this window. Okay, so we have a linked account. Problem is the refresh token is not going to work, but whatever. Awesome. Okay. So what I want to do, can I check what the request is going to be like in here? If I go to test, hopefully it's still linked because I'm on the same account. Say open SuaveKeys and say press spacebar. I should have an access token in here now. Let's see. So if we look at the JSON input, access token, this does look like one of my access tokens. Okay, if we take this, oh my god, I hate this JSON editor. Is that the one that we, is that the, which access token is this? Is this my SuaveKeys access token, or is this my Amazon access token? They're the same. Oh, these are different ones. Okay, so this I think is the Amazon one, and this is my SuaveKeys one. So let's see. If I go to Swagger, right, and if I hit my test endpoint alone, nothing, not gonna work. Can I take that? Oh, I don't need to put the bear because it's there. If I just authorize with that and execute, 200. We actually have account linking. Oh my gosh. Let's do this. Oh, thank goodness. So in our endpoint for what we're handling from like the pressed in our Voicify controller, like if we have this press key, whatever, this request, we still have original request, and then we have native request in here as well. I don't think we get an abstraction over the access token from Voicify, if I remember right. But I mean, either way, we're signed in now, so we can actually use this to like do a lookup. But we need to figure out how to actually get the token out from either Alexa or Google, depending on what it is, and then we need to do a lookup against the database based off of like pulling out their claims. So how do I reverse that? One, we need to have a native request in here. So if we have like public object native request, this is the one we're gonna get. I don't think Voicify sends. Actually, let's just check. So if we'll set up a webhook.site. I'm gonna copy this over in Voicify on the press integration. I'm gonna change the URL out. Oh, we already have Suave Keys test. Hold on, let me edit this. Let's add a new conversation item to put it on. So we'll call this like auth test. We'll just say test. This is your test response. And we'll keep the session open. So if I save this, and then we'll go add that webhook. So we've got auth test, integrations, test, Suave Keys test, update. So now if I say, Alexa, open Suave Keys. Alexa.
In order to let you use your Suave Keys controller, you'll need to sign in.
Alexa, open Suave Keys. I've got the wake word on my phone now.
In order to let you use
Alexa,
your Suave Keys controller.
what is a test?
This is your test response.
Exit. Okay, so here's the data that is going to be sent to our endpoint. In the original request, I don't think we're abstracting the access token. So we need to go into the native request and then dig in and grab it, which will be down in the user access token. This one. Oh, wait, no, it is. It is actually at the top level, right? Locale. Oh, is it? It might just be in original request. Here, let's try this. If I just put, we'll leave that because we might need it, but if I have prop string access token, and then in my Voicify controller, I'm going to say pressing key as, and I'll say request.original request.access token. Let's just see if we get the access token up. So I can publish this real quick. And then it should be able to read it in the response, but it might throw an error. So I'm going to try to do it from the test console. So hopefully my session's not ended here, but if I say press spacebar, so it should say pressing spacebar as, and then like all of those characters. Oh, perfect. Okay, so there's our access token, literally pulled out. Like that's from our code. So now we need to deserialize this, which, like I said earlier, is I don't know how to do, because usually it's just sort of handled for me. But let's take a look at what we're doing here. So when we add bearer auth, we set this up, we add that, and we have our signing key. And then I'm going to close everything but these. So close all but this. And then I want my user authentication service. So like down here in this generate token is what we basically need to reverse. So we've got write token. So let's see if there's some stuff in here we could have. So if we've got like if our token handler is new JWT security token handler dot, do we have like a read token, read JWT token versus write JWT token? Let's see, read token, and let's say like we grab this, right? Can we get the claims token? Say this is just gonna be temp token. I'm just playing around with the IntelliSense at this point to see what I can actually get out of it. Temp token dot claims. We've got issuer signing key. Let's do this. C# decode JWT token. Read JWT. Now do something with token. Oh, is that how we have to do it? Is it actually read JWT? Then we can get claims. Okay, so let's try this. If I go to, so we're putting in, we have the email claim. Let's see, if I go to the Voicify controller, right? And let's say var token equals this. We want to read this access token. We can say var email is token claims dot first or default, where the claim type, is that the one? Claim type equals claim type, claim types dot email as email, and I'll say unknown otherwise. Unknown. Oh, you can't do null. Oh wait, we need email, and then we can say value. All right, cool. Let's publish this. Oops, not pack. No, don't pack it. Stop. Do not make a NuGet package out of this. Publish. Once it's done publishing, hopefully we can keep using the same session. We'll keep this press spacebar. Did it finish? Looks like it did. Let's see. It should tell me my email. Nope, it's still old. It didn't actually publish. My machine is taking off. There we go. Okay. Press spacebar. Should give me my email back. Look at that. Perfect. Now we can actually start like pulling their IDs out and actually doing things with it. Oh my gosh. That means like once we have our SignalR hub context set up, all we have to do is say like .users and pass in the ID for the user that we just pull off the claim, just like we did there, and then they're off and running. So excited we finally got this working. All of this like just messiness with Alexa and OAuth, and it's all set up. So I'm going to commit this working sample pulling users access token. So let's go try to do the same thing for Google. You'll notice when we added the integration, it added this extra like Google sign-in response, which has this like input.signin, so we'll probably need to actually add that. Thank you. We can change that content later. But if we go to console.dialogflow, we've got Suave keys, and then I want to go to the integration setting here. I haven't done account linking on Google since like I was first tinkering with it, so we'll see. Alright, if we go to develop, account linking, convenient. Yes, let them sign in. What? Do you want to allow users to, oh, what? There's like a switch here. To sign up for new accounts via voice. Select this option with team service to obtain user consent during sign up. That's fine. Yeah, you'll be able to sign up. We have to actually build that into the UI. Linking type, OAuth and Google sign-in. Grant type, auth code. Okay, let's go make a new client ID. I literally just closed the GUID generator. So we're gonna have a new auth client. Save. I'm gonna do the 2 again and do the same sort of like random-ish secret generator. Hardly secret. Oh, whoops. Oh my gosh. I Accidentally closed the wrong tab. Okay, auth clients. New one. There's your secret. Generate another GUID. Take that. Take that. We'll say Suave Keys Google Action. Also made on 2020 07 19. Save. Alright, let's get all these copied and put in here. Client ID issued by Google to your actions. I don't particularly care about that because we're not going to need their Google account information. We just need them to get their Suave Keys information. Authorization URL. I'm going to just take this right from here. Make sure I get the same values. Account linking. Authorization URL. And then token URL. Next. Scopes we don't need. Learn more URL feels unnecessary. Google to transmit client ID and secret via HTTP basic auth header. No. Testing instructions. Oh, we'll have to make an account for them. We can say I don't know, do we have to do that right now? Temp. How about that? Save. Okay. Account linking information saved. We do need to add that new intent. So the action is going to need to match this input.sign in, and it's going to need to come from an event. Google Assistant sign in, that's probably it. Is there another one? Intent link get joke. So dumb. Okay, I think that's right. And then we want to enable webhooks on it, so it actually goes to our thing. Save. Oh, sign in intent. I have a working sample one of these, but I think that's all I needed. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. If I go to test, say talk to Suave Keys, hopefully I'll get the prompt to sign in. In order to let you use your Suave Keys controller, you need to sign in. You'll need an account with Suave Keys. To get you signed in, I'll just need some info. If you want some more details, say tell me more. So, can I ask Google for your name, email address, profile, and picture? Yes. Thank you. So does it... I don't know if like... I know the simulator is weird. If I go to my home app... Do I have like a card in here or anything to sign in? Go to Google Assistant. No, don't.
Playing some music on Spotify.
No, don't do that. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try this. Talk to Suave Keys.
Here's the test version of Suave Keys.
To continue, link your keys. Yeah. Use another Suave Keys account. Alright, I'm getting taken to Suave Keys, and we errored. Okay, opening Chrome so I can copy this stupid URL. Did we not like actually save this? Oh, we never saved this. I need Google's URLs. That's why. Close though. Okay. What are the URL? What is their redirect URL? I mean, I guess I can go literally check this. Alright, hold on. I'm going to send this to myself on Slack again. That way I can just see what their stupid URLs are. Alright, let's see. HTTPS OAuth redirect.com or .google user content. Oh my gosh, like why can't they just give me these? Alright, let's do this. Actions on Google account linking. I literally just need their URLs. And they don't, unless I'm missing something. Like, can I, where is the info? This is just so dumb. Okay. Streamlined linking I don't care for. That would only work if we had like sign in with Google enabled. Come on. Just give me your URLs. Yes, we know how OAuth works. We've done this so many times now. Implicit flow. Gross. Alright, this is our flow. Where are the URLs? Implementation guide? Auth code, please. Implement your server. Yes, I know. This is so not helpful. Okay, there we go. Gosh. Okay. So we need that. Alright, let's try it now. I'm gonna do it from here again, not in the simulator. No, cancel. Fuck.
According to Wikipedia,
Talk to Suave Keys. Should get a nice little prompt that says you gotta sign in. Or it's just gonna spin for a while. Come on, Google. Restart it. Talk to Suave Keys.
These came back from a search.
What? Shave keys? What are you doing? Talk to Suave Keys. Benny's. Google is just like freaking out right now. Yes. Yeah, this is stupid. I need to do it in the actual thing. Ask Alexa a question. What gives you the right? Alexa, what gives you the right?
Sorry, I'm not sure about that.
So pompous. Okay. My Google Assistant app is just freaking out. Let's try this from scratch. Talk to Suave Keys.
Here are some results.
Exit.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Talk to Suave Keys.
Let's get the test
There we
version
go.
of Suave Keys.
It's interesting. So basically, it pops up. Let me actually camera this. It pops up like a little dialogue there. And it's like, oh, you can use your Google account or you can use this one. I wonder if we're going to have issues because we don't allow OAuth with Google. Alright, now I'm taking into my sign-in screen, which is good. We weren't getting there before. Alright, let me try to sign in. Signing in. Redirecting.
Great, your SwavKeys account is now linked to Google.
Look at that.
Thank you.
Alright, we are linked. So now if I say, tell SwavKeys to press spacebar.
Let's get the test version of SwavKeys.
Pressing spacebar is alexander.dunn
Let's
at
go.
outlook.com. What else?
Exit. Look at that. We have account linking and signing in on Alexa and Google. And we're able to just take those tokens and do things with them now. We are gonna need to check like expirations. Let's see. Let's make a little notes section here. Things that we still need to do. So one, we need to refactor auth flows to use results. Use error redirects instead of 500s. We need to yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm still just showing my face. There we go. Here's our list. Okay, we need to use errors there. We need